Hello aspirants, welcome to Meghalaya Mentors. Today we'll be solving the question paper of signal be an operator which was held today itself, that is 24th of May 2025. So let us solve the arithmetic and science part. The rest of the part will be solved by self-Pinscam. So let's begin for the first question of arithmetic, that is question number 61. What is the average of the numbers 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18? So this is the very easiest question. Out of this 5, the middle number will be the average. You can see these are the even consecutive numbers. You can see 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Out of this, the middle one will be the your average. Okay, so option number B will be the correct answer for this one. Let's see question number 62. The average of 5 consecutive integers is 25. What is the largest integer? Now, so average, like just now we have done, 25 is the average. So what would be the largest of these two? Just we need 5. So this is, if this is 1, take 26 and the other one is 27. In front, 24 and 23. So this middle number is the average of consecutive numbers. So 25. So which one is the largest here? It will be 27. If they would have asked smallest, then 23 will be the correct answer. So here 27. Option A is 25, B is 28, C is 30, D is 29. Since there's a mistake, I think typing mistake in this question, the correct answer would be 27. Okay, option number, no option. So 27. Just remember 27 will be the correct answer. Let's see next. Question number 63. The average of 3 numbers is 20 if numbers are 18 and 22. If two numbers are, what is the third number? So same way, you can see if 18, then 22. Which one will be the middle number? Obviously 20. You can see these are also even consecutive numbers. So 20 will be the correct answer. Okay, you can do some other method also, but we will not do. Okay, let's see next. The average of 10 numbers is 50. If one number is excluded, the average becomes 49. So find the sum of first 10 numbers, that is 10 into 50. This will be how much? 500. If one number is excluded from there, means one number has left. Just imagine like that. The average becomes 49. Now how many are there? 9, right? If 10 were there, now 1 is missing. There will be 9 into what is the average now? 49. Just multiply this one. When you multiply 9 into 9 is 81, carry 8, 9 4 is 36, 36 plus 8 is 44. Just subtract this 2, you'll get the excluded number. Subtract 10 minus 1 is 9, here also 9, 9 minus 1 is 4, 59. So 59 will be the correct answer. Option A is 50, B is 60, C is 55. So option D is 51. But the correct answer is 59. Okay, answer will be 59. See, there are plenty of error. Okay, plenty of typing error, I think, in this questions. So don't worry about that. If you have marked the answers, you'll get the marks. Okay, for that, don't worry. If there's not if it is not there in option also. Let's see question number 65. Find the average of the first 100 positive integers. Now I've taught you in my average video, average of first n natural numbers will be what? Will be n plus 1 by 2, right? So it's same. See, first 100 positive integers are what? They are also the natural numbers. Positive, because they are talking about positive, so start with 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 100, right? So the last number is what? Our n. Take n as 100 because number of terms, given terms. So n will be how much? 100 plus 1 by 2. It will be 101 by 2, which will be equal to how much? 50.5. Okay, so the correct answer will be 50.5. So again, it is not there. It is 50, 99, 100, and option D is 101. So correct answer will be 50.5. Okay, since it is not given in the answer, let me make it option number A. So this will be the correct answer. Okay, so lots and lots of errors in the questions. I don't know why. Let's see next question. That is question number 66. What is 25% of 200? 25% of 200. Get the answer. 2 into 25 is how much? 50. Option number B. For 66, option number B will be the correct answer. Okay. And one more thing, I want to thank Kintio Kurba for giving the question paper to us. Thank you so much. 67. A person bought a product for rupees 800 and sold it for rupees 1000. What is his profit percentage? Now you all know profit percentage formula. Profit percent is selling price minus cost price by CP into 100, right? Just use this formula. Selling price is how much? 1000 minus cost price 800 divide by 800. Okay, this will be cost price 800 into 100. See, if we have to do, we'll not do this long. Okay, just get the difference between these two and put the cost price in the down and multiply 100. You'll get the answer. 1000 minus 800 will be 200 by 800 into 100. Cancel. This is 8, and if you multiply 8, just divide 100 into 8, then you'll get 4, 2, 450. You'll be getting to 1 to 25. So 25% will be the correct answer. Okay, 25% will be the correct answer. Option number B. Let's see next. 68. In a class of 50 students, 40% are boys. So there are 50 students, 40% are boys. How many boys are there? Just get the 40% of 50. Get the answer. 50 into 2 is 100. 2 into 20. So there are 20 boys. Okay, 68 is option number B. Let's go next. 69. A number is increased by 30%. If the original number is 50, what is the new number? So we already have two methods to do this one. Okay, so like I said, whenever we talk about increase, added, or more in percentage, 30% more means what? You can write it as 130 by 100, right? More in percentage of which number? Of 50. So get the answer. 52. 2 into 65 is 30. So option number B will be the correct answer. Otherwise, what you can do is you can do 50 plus 30%. Then just get the 30% of this one. You get how much? 0. Sorry, this will be multiplied. Okay, because it is saying number. If the origin number is 50, so you should multiply 50 into 30%. Get the 30% of 50. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Then you'll get 5, 1. 5, that's 30%, right? 50. So 5, 1 and then 5, 2. Okay, just let me do it again. If the original number is 50, get the 30% of 50. So you're getting 0, 1, 0 gone, 0, 0 gone. 5 into 3 is how much? 15. So you add this 15 with 55, you'll get the same. Okay, 65 only. You can either do this way or this way. Clear? Let's go next. That is question number 70. So what is question number 70? A student scored 80 marks out of 100 in a test. What is his percentage score? So just without doing only you can get what is 100% of any number. So it will be the same number. In case of this one, 80 by 100 into 100. See, if you divide this one, you're getting 80% only. Okay, so remember, whenever we're talking about in 100% of any number, it will be same number. So a student scored, I hope you understand why I took 80 above, because it is getting 80 on out of 100. Out of 100, it is he is getting how much? 80. So just multiply, get the answer 80%. Okay, let's go next. There are plenty of profit and loss questions, average questions, and speed and distance. Okay, speed, time, and distance. So let's see 71. If a car travels 120 kilometers in 3 hours, what is its speed? So 120 kilometers is the distance. Time it is taken as 3 hours. You need to find the speed. Speed we know is distance by time. Speed will be distance is 120, time is 3, cancel. 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, 40 kilometer per hour will be the correct answer. Option number B for 71 is the correct answer. Let's go next. That is question number 72. Let's see 72. A train travels at a speed of 72 km per hour. Speed is given 72 km per hour. Then how much distance will it cover? Distance we don't know. Time is given as 2 hours. So you all know speed. Again, use the same formula, distance by time. If you have to find distance, what you will do, this will be speed into time equal to distance. Speed is 72, time is 2, d will be 144, okay, meter or kilometer, okay, 144 kilometer. See, again, option A is 120, B is 140, C is 150, D is 180. Since 144 is not given in the option, the correct answer is 144. Okay, it's written correctly here. It's 144. Okay, so again, another typing mistake. If you have mark in the OMR sheet, you'll be getting the marks. Okay, if you attempted this question. Let's go next. 73. Question number 73 says, a person walks 10 km in 2 hours. What is his speed? Again, 5 km per hour. I don't think I need to do this one. It is 5 km speed, but it doesn't. Okay, let's see. 74. Question number 74. It says, a car travels 60 km per hour. How long will it take to travel 180 kilometers? Very easy. Say speed is distance by time. Speed given as 60. Distance is 180. Time you need to find. We don't know the time. Just cancel 0, 0, 6, 3. So time will be 3 hours. Okay, B. Option number B will be the correct answer. Let's see next. 75. Question number 75. If a cyclist travels 18 km for 5 hours, what distance will he cover? So just multiply. Speed is distance by time. Same thing they are giving again. So speed is 18. Distance we don't know. Time is 5. Multiply this 2. We'll get 90 kilometer. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. I think I have done this thing in my video of speed, distance, speed, time and distance, so you can go through from there. Okay, so let's see question number 76. A shopkeeper bought a watch for rupees 1500 and sold it for 1800. What is his profit? Just subtract. Profit is what? SP minus CP, right? You get how much? 300 rupees. So option number B will be the correct answer. So that's all I have done in my maths conceptual questions, right, which are important for all Meghalaya exams that we have been doing, right? So question number 77. If a product is sold at 450 at profit of 25%, what is its cost price? Very easy. Remember I told you one formula, SP equal to CP into profit percent, right? Since it is profit, you will not write 25%. This 25%. If it is a profit, you will write what? 125 by 100. Okay, you not write 25 by 100. Instead, you will write 125 by 100. In this case, so SP is given 450. CP we need to find into profit percent is 125. If it is loss, then you will subtract. Okay, 125 by 100. Now start with the cancellation. You can cancel with this one. 5 is 90, 5 is 25, 25 1, 25 4, then 4 into 90 will be how much? You multiply, it will be 90 into 4 equal to CP, so this will be 360 rupees. Okay, CP will be 360 rupees. Since again, see, option A is 350, B is 375, C is 400, D is 425. It is not there in the option, so Kintu has done it correctly. Okay, this will be 360. Okay, plenty of errors in the typing of question paper. I don't know how can they do this much error. Let's see 78. Even the students, aspirants will be confused, right? If they will not get the answer, they'll just leave the questions. I think this is not fair. So let's see question number 70. A person bought a book for 200 and sold it at a loss of 10%. What is the selling price? Again, you see selling price is equal to CP into, but this time as loss percent. Loss percent. Those we need to find SP. We don't know. CP given is 200 into, since it is loss, it is given a loss of 10%. You'll not write 10 by 100. Okay, instead you will write 90, because minus 100 minus 10 will be 90 by 100. This I have already taught you. So that 90 by 100 cancel 101, 102. 2 into 90 will be how much? 180 rupees. So option number B will be the correct answer for 78. 180. Let's see next. That is question number 79. 79. If a shopkeeper makes a profit of 20% on an article bought for rupees 600, what is the selling price? It's same thing. Selling price is cost price into profit percent. You just have to check if it's either it is a profit or a loss percent. Okay, so here 20% is profit, so instead of 20 you write 120 by 100. Okay, article bought. So when they are talking about bought, means that is a CP. 600 into 120 by 100. So you cancel 100 into 6, and 6 multiplied by 120 will be how much? 6 into 12 is 72. So it will be 720 rupees. Okay. So option number. So it will be option number A. Okay. 720 will be the correct answer. What's the selling price? Because 12 into 6 is 72. Okay. So that will be 72. I hope it's made a mistake here. It's not 730. It will be rupees 720. Let's see next. Question number 80. Question number 80. A man bought a cycle for 800 and sold it for 900. What is his profit percentage? Very easy. Just subtract 900 minus 800 would be 100 over what? Over CP, that is 800 into 100. Cancel 8. Now subtract. You divide this one. 8 is dividing 100, so you'll get 8 ones are 8 minus 2 0. 8 2 is 16. Before give point, bring 0. 8 5 is 40. So it's coming around 12.5%. So it will be 12.5. Okay. Option number 80 is 12.5. That is option B. Question number 80 is option number B. Okay. Let's see next. That is 81. 81. Okay. Let me just bring down. 81. The average weight of 6 students is 50 kg. Let us get the sum of 6 students. Sum will be 6 into 50, which will be 300. Okay. If one student with a weight of 60 kg leaves, now one student with a 60 kg leaves, what is the new average weight? See, now the sum is 300 of 50 kg. Just subtract the 60 kg here. You'll get how much? 240, because this person has left. One student has left, so remaining will be how much? 240. And how many students will be? Before it was 6, now 5. Just divide it with 5. 5 4 is 20. Get 4, bring the 0 down. 5 8 is 40. So answer will be 48 kg. Option number B for question number 81 will be the correct answer. Okay, let's see next. That is 82. Question number 82. The average of 4 different numbers is 50. If the sum of 3 of this number is 150, what is the 4th number? So get the sum of us, this 4 and 50. So what will be the sum of this one? 4 into 50, which is 200. And already given sum of 3 numbers is how much? 150. Just subtract this one, you'll get the will be how much? 50. Okay, so the correct answer will be option number C. The 4th number is 50. Clear? Let's see next. That is 83. So go to 83, almost over with the arithmetic. A student scored 72 marks out of 90. What is the percentage of marks? Very easy. 72 divided by 90. Out of 90 got 72. So you need a percentage. Divide, multiply by 100. 0 0 get cancels. 9 into 8 is 72. 8 into 10 is how much? 80%. Okay, it's getting 80%. Option number C will be the correct answer for 83. Let's see next. 84. A shopkeeper gives a discount. Now again, discount is a kind of loss, right? Loss. You can say discount on an item marked at rupees 800. What is the selling price? So again, you see, but this in this case, whenever we talk about discount, we use mark price. Okay, not CP. So you can write like this: SP is equal to MP into discount percent. So you can use this formula same way, just like we have found for SPCP, profit loss. Okay, so what is the selling price? Now whenever we talk about discount, this 20% will not be written as 20 by 100. Instead it will be written as 80 by 100. Okay, because you need to subtract out of subtract 20 from 100, so you'll get 80. So let's see now SP how much it is given. We need to find mark price is given as 800 into 80. Discount percent is 80 by 100. You cancel 800 into 8 is 100 into 8 is 800. Now multiply. SP will be 8 into 80, which will be how much? 8 into 8 is 64, so it will be 640 rupees. Option number B will be the correct answer. Okay, let's see next. That is question number 85. Question number 85. It says a man's salary is increased. 85. Okay, a man's salary is increased from 24,000 to 30,000. What is the percentage increase? Now to find the percentage increase, what you should do is get the bigger number, then subtract it with the lesser number, and then okay, let me do here. Okay, first subtract this 2, you'll get like this, the percentage change. Okay, so you see this will be 30,000 minus 24,000 divide by over, because this is his first salary, right? First salary, so you should divide on first salary only. Okay, multiply by 100 to get the percentage. Subtract this one, you get how much? 6,000 divide by 24,000 into 100. So you cancel this 20 here, you cancel this 0 0. Now subtract, see 600 is 600, 6 into 4, now 4 1 4 25. So 25% is the correct answer. So this will be option number D will be the correct answer for question number 85. I hope it's clear. Please like the video and subscribe if you are new here. You can also follow us on Instagram, where we will be uploading different types of tips and tricks for maths, reasoning, also different important questions for GK and English. Okay, so you can follow us. Meghalaya Mentus. Our Insta account is also same. It's Meghalaya Mentus. Also, you can check the link in the description and follow directly. Okay, so let's go. Question number 86. A fruit seller sells mangoes at profit 15% if the cost price of one mango is 40. What is this? Same formula again. SP is equal to CP into profit percent. Since they are talking about profit, SP is how much? SP is not given. We need to find CP is 40 into profit percent is 15. So you will not write 15, but what you will write is, you not write 15%, right? 115%, which is 115 by 100, right? Cancel 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Multiply, so SP, remaining SP will be how much? 2 into 23, which is equal to 46 rupees. So option number C will be the correct answer for 86. Let's see next, 87. Oh, we are almost completing this arithmetic part. See, let's see 87. A car travels 240 km in 4 hours. What is its speed? So you all know speed by distance. It is already shown here. So you'll get 60 km per hour. Just divide 240 by 4. Okay, you get the answer. A cyclist covers 90 km in 5 hours. What is the speed of a cycle? Again, distance by time. You'll get 18 km per hour. 90 divided by 5 is 18. 89. A trader buys a mobile phone 12,000 and sells it 15,000. What is the profit percent? New same formula. Profit percent is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. See, I'll not do all this. Okay, I'll just do directly. 15,000 minus 12,000 is 3,000. I know. Over what? Over 12,000. That is CP into 100. So see, this 0 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. You can do 650 is 300, 6 2 is 12, 2 25. So it will be how much? 25%. Option number C for question number 89 is the correct answer. Whatever way you cancel, okay? Depends on you, but the main thing is to get the answer. Question number 90. A person buys a book for 200 and sells it for 260. What is the profit percent? So just do it. 260 minus 260 divide by 200 into 100. 2 cancel 230. So 30% will be the correct answer for question number 90. We're done with the arithmetic. Let's see some of the basic elementary science. Okay, I hope it's clear with arithmetic. Let's see science. Okay, question number 90. Which is known as the laughing gas? So laughing gas is nitrous oxide. Okay, and remember this is nitrous oxide. Let's see next. Question number 92. Which process is used to separate a solid from a liquid by passing through a filter? So whenever we talk about filter, we use filtration. Okay, we use filter paper. Okay, for this. Let's see next. 93. Question number 93 is, which blood group is known as the universal donor? So actually the universal donor is O negative, but here maybe printing mistake or one. If you have given O positive, you'll get the marks. Okay, should be O negative. See next, that is question number 104. How many basic science? I think I've missed here. 93, 94 will be here. 93, we are done with 93. Let's see 94. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when exposed to sunlight? It is vitamin D. So very common question, always it comes. Would be asked in different way, but vitamin D is the correct answer. Let's see question number 9. What is the function of hemoglobin? So hemoglobin is responsible for carrying the oxygen to different parts of the body. Okay. 96. What is the main cause of ozone layer depletion? So ozone layer, it's chlorofluorocarbon CFCs. Okay. This will be the correct answer. Option number C. Question number 97. Which gas is the primary contributor to the greenhouse? Most common question in Meghalaya exam, that is this one contributor to the greenhouse effect, which is carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2. Let's see next. Question number 98. Deforestation leads to what? Leads to soil erosion. Okay, soil erosion. Option number C will be the correct answer. 99. What is the main cause of acid rain? So it is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Okay, nitrogen oxide. Clear? Let's see question number 100. Which planet is known as the evening star? So always remember, evening star is Venus. Okay, Venus. So Venus is closer to Earth, so that is why we see this one as the evening star. Okay. Let's see one more topic: heat and electricity. There is also science. Question number 101. Which of the following is a good conductor of heat? So good conductor of heat here is copper. Since it is a metal, the others are non-metal, so copper will be the correct answer. 102. The unit of electrical power. So unit of electrical power is watt. Okay, watt. This is for resistance. Ohm is for resistance. Ampere is current. Volt is potential difference. Okay, let's see. 103. Which material is commonly used in making electrical wires? So we all know for electric wires we use copper. Commonly used is copper. 103. And the last question, I think 104. Question number 104. Which thermometer is used to measure human body temperature? For measuring the temperature of human body, we use clinical thermometer. Okay, clinical thermometer. This is for laboratory purpose. Barometer is used for atmospheric pressure. Remember, it's device to measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so let's with this we have come to the end of this question paper of signal and be an operator. So the rest of the parts will be done by Serpent's Chem. Thank you so much. I hope you have liked the video. All the best for upcoming exams, and also like, subscribe if you are new here, and share it to your friends. Thank you.